Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries, I'm Janine. It's a frosty morning, nice bright frosty morning this morning in Pergola Nurseries. Ideal morning for weeding and cleaning around beds, getting ready for spring. We're looking at some tools for gardeners that would make good Christmas presents, and good tools will make you want to go to the garden, they really will. This is the digging and weeding Spat. It's made from Swedish boron steel, sharp, no need to keep it sharpened, it will self-sharpen with use. So for digging and weeding, there's a little bend in the ash handle as well that makes it perfect for weeding on a flat as a whole. Now if you want to dig with it, very quickly you can cut through soil like that with it, because this is our old one, by the way, and we're using it in the nursery for quite a while. You can cut through soil very, very easy with it because you're not digging with a flat blade. If you want to weed over an area, some creeping buttercups there, you can very quickly get them cleaned off like that, because of the bend in the handle makes it just perfect for that job. So perfect tool, and perfect tool for any gardener's wheelbarrow. So that's the digging and weeding Spat, S-P-A-T. You'll see that in the web shop. Goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.